Beautiful chord progression of the week. This week we're using Gnarls Barkley's Crazies, specifically the verses, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab an Asus2. This chord is so sus. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking it almost like my A minor minus my pointer, right? So I'm gonna use my middle on the second fret of D, and then my ring on the second fret of G, strum 5 strings down. We will not hit low E. Asus2. Okay, then I'm gonna grab a Cmaj7. Now I like to add this little G on top just to kind of give it some flavor here. Check it out. So I'm gonna use my middle again on the second fret of the D string. So it's a pretty easy transition to if you're kind of working on that as well. Okay, because you can leave it in the same spot from the Asus2. So I have that there planted. My ring finger is going to reach over for the third fret of the A string there. Okay, we will not hit the low E, by the way. So that's going to be our bass note of C. Then I like to add, that fifth on there at the third fret on the pinky. Okay, with this baby E there. Okay, third fret baby E, and we strum 5 strings down. Okay, this next one. Any beginner guitar chord chart you see, if they say Fmaj7, or if you're trying to play F and you don't want to deal with the big bar chord F yet, sometimes you're introduced to this chord. I call it the staircase chord as well. Take your pointer, let's go. Do that first fret there on the B string, middle on the second fret of G, and then ring on the third fret of D. Strum 4 strings down. Okay, and then our last one, we're gonna grab an Esus4. Okay, which is gonna be kind of like your A major chord shape. That's how my brain thinks of it, at least. Okay, so I'm gonna use my middle, my ring, and my pinky, and I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna resolve it to an E. So I'm gonna go second fret A, second fret D, and second fret G. Strum all 6 strings. Okay, now you can resolve it to an E major, which will be just getting rid of that pinky and just grabbing the pointer finger, first fret of G. So now you notice on the intro I went Esus4, E, and then I even tagged it with the 7th, that D there, okay, at the 3rd fret of the B string. Just kind of things to mix it up, okay? Beautiful chord progression of the week.